Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Aliadar Noor from Advanced Class. Today my purpose of standing here is to present a presentation on the topic time travel. Before going toward the time travel, we need to know what is time. So basically, time does not have any perfect definition or any one definition. It is multifaceted concept where the philosopher says that it is made by human to shape our emotions, feelings, and memories. But on the other hand, physicists said that time is the fourth dimension, and it is very necessary for us, and it helps us to measure the occurrence of events. So let's go toward the time travel. By the name time travel, it is you can say that clear as the topic says that doing time travel. So there are kinds of time travel, going from present to future and from present to past. So first we will go from future. So what is time travel in future? There are three kind of time travel in future. So the first is time dilation. So it is introduced by Einstein by its theory, general theory of relativity. Here, Einstein says that, for example, if we achieve the speed of light, or we are in a a strong gravitational field, so there for us time will flow slow. For the observer, time will flow slow. For example, I am a time traveler on a spacecraft, and I achieved the 90% of speed of light. So I am going for a 10-year trip, and when after 10 years I will come on the earth. For me, 36 years are passed. Mean 46 years are passed. From them, 36 year I am in future. So mean I did time travel. And the second concept is cryosleep. So the cryosleep is a kind of sleep where individual's body is taken in a chamber where the temperature is too much low. But may the scientists use some you can say that chemical like nitrogen and other which keep our body cool, by which our cells, organs, and tissues will not work as normal, by which our body will stop doing aging. So by which our body will be in same condition. If we are doing a kind of sleep, when we get up after 20 year, 50 year, or a century, so our body will be in same state. So we have did time travel for this all period. And third one is wormholes. So wormholes is a big concept or another topic, but here we will discuss it a few minutes in a brief with introduction. So the wormholes are kind of holes. May you have a lesson about the black holes or the white holes. Like them, there is a hole which is called wormholes. So to understand a wormhole, we need to understand first the black hole and the white holes. So as we know that black holes are there is a singularity in black hole which is having too much gravity, and it pushes everything inside. It means it eats everything. So it just carries all things, and the white hole work opposite of this. It just bring all things out from it. Mean like omit the all things. So scientists believe that the black hole and white holes are maybe connected in a point where black hole take the things in and the white hole just omit them, which will be like a hole which is called wormhole. And the second concept is that the by Kim Thorne, Nobel Prize winner scientists, he said that in space there are microscopic wormholes which are just been seen, and they are just seen, and they are vanish every time. If we are having negative energy, so we can make them bigger and we can travel into them. But for that we need a negative energy, which is like that. For example, we are having two magnets. One is having negative energy, one is having positive energy. When we bring both of them face to face, so they will start pulling them one another, by which it will be there will be a space between them. So like this we can make the wormholes bigger. And also it is done by the quantum computers made by, I mean, quantum computers to send the information from one computer to other like a wormhole. So might you understand the concept of wormhole here? It is like a wormhole. For example, we are having space and time fabric. So here, so to we are on the earth. For example, here it is the earth, and we are traveling toward K218. So here it is one other planet. So we have to travel from here to here. So it will take, I mean, around 128 light year. So we know that light year is too much. I mean, our human age is less than a light year, which is around 1 million years or more than 1 million years. So we are having wormhole. For example, we compress the all fabric like this and just make a hole here. So there will be a hole which connect the both planet, the exoplanet and our planet. So it will be like a wormhole, a bridge which connect both planets like a shortcut. So may you understand the concept of wormhole? So it these all were about time traveling into future, and now we will come toward the time travel in past. So the general theory of relativity allows us to go in past, but if we see, it is mostly impossible. There are some terms or paradoxes like grandfather paradox. So grandfather paradox says that, mean I am Eliezer, I made a time machine, so I will travel go in past, and there I will kill my grandfather before he birthed my father, and father birth born, I mean I am born from my father. So the both are not existing. So who went in the past and killed both of them? If no one went and killed them, so who am I? So it will be like a paradox which is not solved. And the second is predestination. So predestination says that everything is pre-planned. So if I mean, for example, my best friend is dead, so I go and past to save him, but there I will be reason of his death because it was pre-planned, and if I go to save him, so there I will be reason of his death. And the last one is multiverse. So for example, I go in past, and my mother is dead due to some reason after my birth. So I go there, and mean I know what was the reason of his her death. So there I will go and change the things which were cause of my mother's death. But the twist will come that when I come in my present, so I will not come in my exact present, I will be in another verse, which is called multiverse. So there will we get the concept of multiverse, where I will go another verse, and maybe my friends and everything will be changed. I mean, I will not be in my exact present here. There are some movies which just make you understand regarding these things. From them, one is Interstellar, 12 Monkeys, The Time Traveler's Wife, and and the 100 web series. I hope you understand about time travel. Thank you for listening.